In this video, we're going to be showing you how to generate API keys for Google Gemini. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. The first thing you need to do is go to aistudio.google.com, then click Get API Key on the bottom left, then click Create API Key in the top right. You now need to enter a name for your key, then select or create a project, and finally click Create Key. Your key will now show up here. On the right, we have a few different options, so we can copy the API key, we can view the billing, view usage. If we click the three dots, we can rename the key or delete it. That's all we have for this tutorial on generating API keys for Google Gemini. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.